Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to connect the NZXT Kraken Elite 360 RGB. First, unbox your Kraken Elite 360 RGB and identify all included components. You'll find the radiator with three 120mm fans, a USB cable, and various fan cables. Begin by securely mounting the three fans onto the radiator. Pay close attention to their orientation to ensure efficient airflow, either for intake or exhaust, depending on your case setup. Next, connect the 4-pin PWM cable from each of your three fans to the fan splitter cable provided with the Kraken Elite. This consolidates fan power and control. Then, connect each fan's RGB cable to the dedicated RGB controller. This controller manages all the lighting effects for your fans, ensuring a synchronized and vibrant display. Double-check all these connections to confirm they are secure. Now, let's connect to your motherboard. Plug the fan splitter cable into the CPU FAN header on your motherboard. This allows your system to monitor and control the pump and fan speeds. Next, connect the USB cable from the Kraken pump to an available internal USB 2.0 header on your motherboard. This enables software control via NZXT CAM. Finally, connect the SATA power cable from the RGB controller to your power supply. With all physical connections made, take a moment to neatly route and secure your cables within your PC case for optimal airflow and aesthetics. Once tidy, power on your computer. The final step is to install the NZXT CAM software. This powerful application allows you to fully customize your RGB lighting effects, monitor your CPU temperature, and adjust pump and fan speeds for peak performance and quiet operation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.